So we are going to pick an image, for example, that is, no, we are not going to pick an image. Okay. Yeah, so we can do different things. Okay, if you just wanted an image, you could get an image and put it there. But you told me that you want to put an image and put some text on top of that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is to, for example, you can choose a heading and just drag and drop to the section. Okay, perfect, and you have a heading.
So I can like copy and paste. So
Yeah.
am I like?
Yeah. So okay. So you want to copy and paste. You like the okay. Yeah. Yeah. The best thing is to select that. Well, if you want to use different colors for the different parts, it's better to use different elements.
Okay.
Okay, so I would recommend, if you want different colors, that you just copy one at a time. So, for example, release and receive, you could copy that.
Oh, it's already up there. Look. No. Okay. Anyway, I don't know. I'm just gonna copy.
Yeah, that would be part of the.
That's not what I want to copy. No.
Yeah, so that is what you had before. You sent me to me on Facebook. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just
It's not deleting.
just yes, it's edit widget. Okay, good. Perfect. So you just need to put the heading there back again. Okay, so you already had it. Okay. You are a quick learner.
It's not happening. It's
not happening. Okay. Yeah, so okay, go to the left and get heading and drop it. Drag and drop.
okay. I deleted the heading. I see.
Yeah. Okay.
Why isn't it working? Oh, I put the text on the left.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, but